Critical aging infrastructure lies right beneath our feet. Running an optimal, proactive, preventative maintenance program is vital for responsible stewardship of your infrastructure. Orchestra Maintenance Management Software gives you the tools you need to understand your infrastructure, assess the condition, maintain and prolong the life of your assets. Hi, I'm James Ford. I'm the owner of Red Top Software and creator of Orchestra Maintenance Management Software. Starting with its powerful GIS features, Orchestra provides a visual asset inventory, giving you an intuitive spatial context for asset management. Our work management features give you a familiar feel while freeing your crews to get more done while on-site or back in the office. With its unparalleled communication options including email, integrated chat, and text workflows, Orchestra makes it easy to stay on the ball at all times. You'll get a full picture of your performance, resourcing costs, and capital improvement planning with Orchestra's business intelligence. All your important data is transferred securely over SSL and stored in a Tier 1 cloud storage data center. And we're always here to help with our dedicated support, FAQ, and knowledge base portal. See why Orchestra is the best choice for utilities and public works to manage their maintenance programs. Contact us today to set up a demonstration.